In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change or switch your image generation models on Perplexity AI. So if you use Perplexity AI to generate images, I'm going to show you guys how you can change the AI models on here. So for better images, you can be testing out different AI models. Yeah, let me show you guys how to do that. So on your Perplexity interface, just tap on your profile like that. So top left corner of your screen, you can see the arrow there. Just tap on that. Good. Now let's scroll to the bottom here. Good. Scroll, and you're going to see image generation model. You can see the arrow on your screen there. It's on default. Yeah, so on default, they are just going to choose it for you. Yeah, so you see there are a lot of options here. ChatGPT image 1, GPT image 1, you have Flux, you have Dale, you have Nano Banana, you have Seed Dreams. Let's use Dale. I think I like Dale. Yeah, so you need to be on a pro version because they'll generate solid type of images. Yeah, so let's ChatGPT 1 is it's not anything sharp. Flux is not bad as well. You also need to be on pro version. So I think I have a video on these AIs, Flux, Dale, and the rest. Yeah, ChatGPT alternatives. These are all sharp AIs that produce some solid type of images and videos. So let's use the Nano Banana to see, and it's also a pro. I don't know about that model. And let's use Seed Dream, and it's also a pro. So definitely ChatGPT 1 is going to be what you use. And it's also a pro. Wow. So it means this thing, if you are on a pro, is a pro feature, something like that. Yeah. So if you want to change the AI model that's going to generate images for you on Perplexity AI, if you're on a pro version, you can select any of them and then generate your image. That's it. So if you're on a free version, you need to leave it on default and then generate any type of image for you. Since you don't have money, you don't have an option. So that's it on how you change the AI model for image generation on Perplexity. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.